To the channel. Today we're going to compare Coda versus Notion in 2026 and help you decide which tool is better for your workflow, team, or business. Both Coda and Notion are powerful, all-in-one workspace tools, but they serve slightly different purposes. Notion is known for its clean interface, simple databases, and strong note-taking capabilities. It's excellent for documentation, knowledge bases, and personal organization. Coda, on the other hand, focuses more on building interactive systems with powerful tables, formulas, and automations that go beyond traditional documents. When it comes to databases, Coda feels more like a flexible app builder. You can link tables, create advanced formulas, and add buttons that automate actions instantly. Notion supports relations and rollups, but Coda's cross-table formulas and automation options provide deeper control for complex workflows. In terms of customization, both tools offer templates and multiple views like board and calendar. However, Coda stands out with interactive dashboards, advanced controls, and workflow automation features. Notion shines in simplicity, collaboration, and content structuring. For startups and operations-heavy teams, Coda may offer more power and flexibility. For content creators, students, or documentation-focused users, Notion might feel more intuitive. Ultimately, the right choice depends on whether you need simplicity or advanced workflow capabilities. That's it for today. If this comparison helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tool guides. Try both Coda and Notion in 2026 and choose the one that fits your workflow best.
Hey,